here, welcome to day 3 of my solo Costa Rica vlog. This morning I'm hanging out by the pool before going on a day trip to Tortuga Island. Let's go. The drive is about 30 to 45 minutes away, and thank goodness that they pass out Dramamine because the roads are rough. Also, we all booked this trip through our hostel Somos. They're providing us with some drinks and snacks, and a part of this trip we're supposed to stop at a place for snorkeling, but because it's the end of rainy season, making the water a bit more murky at the moment, we're just going straight towards Tortuga Island.
Oh yeah. Cheers to watermelon.
Shaky. Oh, that'd be so easy. Pura vida. Swimming across. Almost there! You can touch? Yay! Oh, I can't. We did it. Yeah! We made it! Just for reference, here this is 1,100 feet or 336 meters across. Oh, the friends! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Yoo-hoo! Anyone home?
Dude.
Whoa! Try to get it in the flashlight.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's like a bikini or something. Oh, but I guess there's a right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, see it. Hi, everybody. Hola from our little beach. There's where we came from. Ah. Alright, time to go back. Big old swim.
Let's go.
Hello everyone, just speaking. We had the best day on Isla Tortuga, if I'm not mispronouncing that.
And what did you do?
Tanned, slept like a baby with the sun shining. Phenomenal. Bye bye.
Well, I swam to another island.
Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Solo tú me sigues al ritmo de la pista y yo me veo como chica de revista. Baby, conmigo a ti se te va la vista. Puedo quemarte sola con una pizca.
Our next stop is Playa Muertos to see the sunset.
People in Costa Rica. Cheat or steal, but if you lie, may you lie in the arms of the one you love. If you may cheat, cheat death, and if you steal, steal in the moments that take your breath away. Cheers!
And for the final stop of the night, we're going to see Bioluminescence.
Oh! Wait, you can see it on yours! Wow! It's not real! Look at my arms. I love it.
We're concluding our night with some dinner at Somos. Thank you for coming along, and see you next time. Bye!